In this podcast episode, the hosts speak with Dr. Staci Whitman, a functional dentist who challenges conventional dental practices. The conversation delves into the root causes of oral health issues, the impact of diet on dental health, and the emerging field of functional dentistry. Dr. Whitman begins by addressing the alarming prevalence of oral health issues, such as bleeding gums and cavities, which she argues have been normalized in society. She emphasizes that traditional dentistry often focuses on treating the symptoms of dental problems rather than addressing their root causes. Conventional dentists typically diagnose issues through X-rays and recommend treatments like fillings or cleanings, which she describes as a reactive approach to what should be a preventive field. Dr. Whitman explains that functional dentistry seeks to understand why patients experience oral diseases. She highlights the mouth as a gateway to the body, suggesting that oral health is intricately linked to overall health. By adopting a more ancestral diet, such as a paleo or less processed food approach, she claims that the decay rate can be significantly reduced, making it a form of preventative medicine. A significant portion of the discussion revolves around the role of diet in oral health. Dr. Whitman notes that ancestral humans chewed for about 4 hours a day, which contributed to the development of wider jaws and healthier teeth. In contrast, modern diets often consist of soft, processed foods that require minimal chewing, leading to smaller jaw sizes and increased dental issues, including crowding and airway problems. Dr. Whitman emphasizes the importance of early intervention in children, advocating for practices that promote proper jaw development. She explains that many children today are experiencing issues with their wisdom teeth due to the lack of space in their jaws, which can be attributed to dietary changes over generations. By encouraging children to chew more and consume a diet rich in whole foods, parents can help optimize their dental health. The conversation also touches on the connection between oral health and systemic health. Dr. Whitman points out that oral diseases can have far-reaching effects on overall health, including links to fertility issues and chronic diseases. She mentions that certain bacteria in the mouth can enter the bloodstream and contribute to systemic inflammation, which can lead to conditions such as heart disease and Alzheimer's. Dr. Whitman advocates for oral microbiome testing to better understand the balance of bacteria in the mouth. She explains that just as gut health is crucial for overall well-being, oral health should not be overlooked. By identifying imbalances in the oral microbiome, patients can take proactive steps to improve their dental health and, by extension, their overall health. A contentious topic in the podcast is the use of fluoride in dental care. Dr. Whitman shares her journey from being a pro-fluoride advocate to questioning its safety and efficacy. She cites studies linking fluoride to neurocognitive issues and argues that fluoride is not an essential nutrient for the body. Instead, she promotes alternatives such as hydroxyapatite, a naturally occurring mineral that can help remineralize teeth without the potential side effects associated with fluoride. Dr. Whitman emphasizes that while fluoride may help prevent cavities, it does not address the underlying causes of dental decay. She encourages patients to focus on diet, hydration, and oral hygiene practices to maintain optimal oral health. As the conversation progresses, Dr. Whitman discusses the evolution of functional dentistry and the need for standardized training in the field. She co-founded the Institute for Functional Dentistry, which aims to provide education and resources for dental professionals interested in adopting a more holistic approach to oral health. Dr. Whitman believes that by integrating functional medicine principles into dental practice, dentists can better serve their patients and promote long-term health. The podcast concludes with a discussion about the challenges faced by those advocating for change in the dental field. Dr. Whitman acknowledges that there is resistance from traditional dental institutions, but she remains hopeful that the growing awareness of functional dentistry will lead to a shift in how oral health is approached.